When Ma looked into the kitchen one day, she saw all things looking funny and gay. Rolling Pin, standing on the roti board, was looking really proud. The knife was going round and round, looking for vegetables all around. Should I cut a carrot or a potato? Or should I cut the round red tomato? Then the plate came rolling. The cup came along, smiling. Put your rotis and vegetables in me and eat your food happily. Hee hee.
Chinu, Meenu,
Just coming, Grandma.
can you just pick up this vegetable basket and keep it in the kitchen for me?
Ma, where should I keep these vegetables?
You can keep it in that corner.
Ma, these vegetables are so green and fresh. Look, there is a cauliflower, bottle gourd, spinach, and even methi leaves. Ma, what are you cooking?
Oh, can you see this vessel on the stove? Some lentil is being cooked in it. I'm just going to make some hot rotis for you on this pan. Look here. I have already made some dough for the rotis. Meenu, get that roti board and rolling pin for me.
Ma, what will you do with the roti board and rolling pin?
Oh Chinu, I will keep the round ball of roti dough on the roti board and make rotis with the rolling pin. Okay Chinu, just help me now. You sit here and clean this dal while I make some rotis for you. Pick out carefully any small stones from the dal.
Ma, can I put the mat and keep plates and cups for eating?
Yes, Meenu. Why not?
Oh, Grandma, there are so many vessels in the kitchen.
Yes, my child. That is because we cook for the whole family in the kitchen.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 glasses. Oh, Chinu, look. There are lots of spoons and vessels also. Look in that corner, Meenu. There is a small almirah there. I will just go and see what is kept in all those boxes and jars. Oh, these jars have dal, rice, and other masalas in them. There is some pickle in those jars.
Meenu, my dear, it's getting dark. Can you switch on the lights? And Chinu, can you open the windows?
Chinu, my dear, just give me a glass of water from that bucket.
Ma, is the food ready?
Yes, Meenu. Now, both of you go and wash your hands and then you can eat.
Chinu, go and tell your father to come and have his food.
Oh, Grandma, don't you remember? Papa has gone to the town.
Oh, I just forgot about it. It's okay. Now you both eat.
Children, after you eat your food, leave your plates and bowls in that corner.
And also wash your hands and face. Then go outside and play. It is nice and cool.
No, Grandma. Why don't you go and sit outside in the cot? Chinu and I will help Ma and then come.
Chinu, just pick up this knife and keep it on top of the almirah.
Ma, I have put all the things in the right places. Ma, we are going out to play now. Friends, do you help your mother in the kitchen? Will you match and tell me what we can do with these things? Pan, cook rotis, knife, cut vegetables, rolling pin, make rotis. Hot oil, cook puris. Grinder, grind chutneys. Pan, cook rotis. Knife, cut vegetables. Rolling pin, make rotis. Hot oil, cook puris. Grinder, grind chutneys. Shall we make pairs now? Roti board, rolling pin, puri, potatoes, rice, dal, roti, vegetables, roti board, rolling pin, puri, potatoes, rice, dal, roti, vegetables. Will you repeat loudly after me? You can write in your notebook also. 1 many. 1 pan, 2 pans, 1 vessel, 3 vessels, 1 spoon, 5 spoons, 1 glass, 4 glasses, 1 cup, 5 cups, 1 almirah, 4 almirahs, 1 plate, 3 plates, 1 pan, 2 pans, 1 vessel, 2 vessels, 1 spoon, 1 glass, glasses, cup, cups, almirah, almirahs, plate, plates, friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly. What are roti board and rolling pin used for? Roti board and rolling pin are used to roll rotis from dough. Do you help your mother in the kitchen? What does your mother use to cut vegetables? A knife. Who cooks the food in your house? Do you arrange things in your kitchen? Friends, can you tell the names of 3 vegetables that can be eaten raw? Onion, cucumber, and carrot.
Friends, will you put a tick mark in the correct sentences? We roll rotis in the roti board using a rolling pin.
True.
We make rotis with a knife.
False.
Plates are round in shape.
True.
We put cooked vegetables in a small bowl.
True.
We should always cook in the dark.
False.
We roll rotis in the roti board using a rolling pin.
True.
We make rotis with a knife.
False.
Plates are round in shape.
True.
We put cooked vegetables in a small bowl.
True.
We should always cook in the dark.
False.
Children, will you tell me what you will use to cut these things? Paper, scissors, mango, knife, wood, axe, cloth, scissors, potato, knife, paper, scissors, mango, knife, wood, axe, cloth, scissors, potato, knife.
Friends, let us find out same sounding words. It's lots of fun. You can repeat after me also. Plate, slate, pan, fan, cup, pup, spoon, moon, jar, car, plate, slate, pan, fan, cup, pup, spoon, moon, jar, car, friends, let us draw some things that we can find in a kitchen. Will you also draw with me? Glass,
Small bowl,
vessel, pan, spoon, glass,
small bowl,
vessel,